In this video, we'll configure the list. So basically, if you go to this accounts table, and if I go to the accounts and change any kind of field like all contacts, you can see there are various types of fields available. And if I change any other like new task, we like here, you can see the various fields available. But in house details, we have recent view and all, and here you can see we only have a number, but if I open the house details, there are actually many fields here. We can add them to the list. So first thing is that how we can create the list, or how we can add or modify the fields so that multiple fields can be visible to this list. To do that, first we have to click this gear icon and click the new. Once we click the new, we have to define the list name. So let's say that I am putting any kind of name I can put that. So let's say that all uh, list, something like that. And after that, you can see by default the name will be populated. So either you create a new list, or else you can directly modify this list of all. So this is right now you can see all. I am if I go to the recent view and click this gear icon, I have a options called new. But if I go to the all and then click the gear icon, there are many options which is available. So two different thing is that first you can create your own new view or list view, or else you can modify this existing view called all. To modify this existing view, you can click the gear icon, and then here you can just change this select field to display, and whatever field you think that should be visible, like short description, and then let's say that I want to display the contacts. So this field I can select and then save that. Once we save that, this field will be visible here. You can see, and you can start filtering or start doing ascending, descending order by clicking those fields. Now, here this is by default created by the system, but if you want to create your own view, and then also that is also possible. Like you can see, I do have all and recent view, but if I go back to the basically here, you have a my accounts like that. There are many things, right? Many list view here I can select. To create a new list view, what do you have to do? You have to click this gear icon and click new. Once you click the new, and here I can put any kind of list view name. So I'll put that my list view, my record. Okay. And once you do that, the list API name will be automatically populated. And here there are various options to share that. So all user can see, share that specific groups you can share, like you can select specific role, specific group. I am selecting all the user and save that. Once we click that, you can see there are now three options: my record, all, and recent view, recently view. And you can see switch between that, all and then my record. If you go to the my record and then click settings, and then under the settings you can definitely select the fields, like say contacts, then short description, last modified, whatever is you think that you should be available, you can modify and add that and simply save that. So once you save that, you can see short description, contact, and last modified is showing right now. And then if I click all, the last modified field is not there. Now simply I switch all to my record, and here I can put any condition if I want. So let's say that I want to put the contact equal to Andy. Anytime, any condition or any conditional field I can put here. So for that, what we'll do, we'll click the gear icon, and then here we can put click that edit list filter. Under that, here I can click the add filter, and then here I can say that, let's say contacts is equal to, and then I can put any field. Let's say again I'll have to click there, contacts here, and then I will put this name and click done. After that, I have to just save that. So once this filter is saved, so it means that this filter is saved. Now any record which is created by Andy Young will be only visible on the my record, and then all the record will be visible under the all. So let's create a record. So if I select any record apart from the Andy, let's say I'm going to create this new contacts also and save that directly, and I'm creating one record. So this right now, if I go to this all, I have two records and basically recent view. If I click all, the two record I have, one context is SS, another is the Andy Young. But if I go back to this, my record will be only show the Andy Young because the filter condition I have defined so that all this Andy Young will be only visible to the my records. And you can, you can just resize their, level, or you can rearrange their size if you want. So that's it for today. If you have any question, let me know in comment section. Thank you very much. Have a great day.